I have an exciting package. I saw them on Instagram. Well, I saw this girl using the brush on Instagram. I was like, I like that brush. And I usually use the denim brush. And I thought this brush was going to be a good idea just because I like brushing my hair out combing my hair out in the shower when I'm washing it and everything. It's much easier that way to do detangling while it's wet, and I like the sensation of it. I feel like I clean my hair a little bit more, I get a little bit deeper with my scalp, and my hair is really thick, and I feel like I don't get that all the day. So, made by black women for black, well, it could be for anybody, but it's just pretty packaging. I see how it is. I love their colors, by the way. It's really cute colors. It's really well packaged, I'll say that. Shout out to y'all for well packaging it. Right. Oh, this is stiff. This worries me. You know how your mom used to bop you in the back of the head with the comb? This feels like a comb. It has no give to it, really. It has like, oh, that's cool. So at the end, it's basically you can use it for a party. Oh, I don't like that. Because it fits so well in the hand. You could really clonk yourself with this. That's all I gotta say about it. But I'm gonna use it while washing my hair. I'm super excited about it. I love the design. I love the color. It's so cute. You know my nails on. That's so cute. It's really sturdy. I'll leave all the information down below so you guys can check it out. Check out the website. They also offer combs, picks, a gift card at the moment. They have other accessories and stuff they have on there. But you know, we support our black people. But look at this. I like the handle. Now sometimes with the denim brush, this isn't a denim brush, but it's the Cantu denim brush. It's like this. It's not sturdy enough, and I feel like sometimes I'm gonna break this out and I'm gonna ruin the rubber right here. This one, you can't take this out. You can't do anything with this one. This one's useless. But the real one, the real denim brush, this, I feel like I'm putting so much pressure just one way, brushing my hair in the shower. It's not getting deep enough. I was intimidated at first by this because it's so long, but how I'm thinking about it, it's really gonna get in the roots. So I'm excited to try it out like a woman that wash my hair. I'm so excited. Okay, hey everybody, I'm back. I'm getting my hair from my braids I had in it. And all of this hair that's just coming up. This is a hot mess. This needs to be washed and conditioned. Okay, so I have my clips. Ooh, right here. I got 4 clips. And what I like to do is I like to go ahead and section off my hair, and I'm just mix it up. Like this stuff is my sister's. Shout out to Kayla for letting me borrow her stuff. And she always does. Main choice, new shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and just go ahead and get these roots going. Okay, so I'm done. I watched a YouTube review of someone saying that it's very sturdy, there's not much give. There's no give. Like, oh, I'm excited to use this in the shower, but I'm kind of nervous that I'm gonna clonk myself in the head and not get out in the shower.
Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so I'm back and I'm rinsing out my hair right now in my back left section. So I was using my face. I was not pulling out my hair, but like I had a lot of shedding of my hair, and I said that I hadn't washed my hair in a while, and my hair like really showed. I think I had like left a lot of product in my hair for a while without washing it out, and so I shed a lot more hair than I should have. I haven't had the problem since. I did this like this week anyway, but the hairstyle I have is very protective, so I'll figure that out in like the next week or so. Right now I'm just putting the shampoo in my hair, just putting some in. Those curls, baby. Just little kinks. So I'm rinsing it out, pulling more hair out of my head, grabbing the conditioner. So this is a 3-step process like I mentioned before. So you put in the conditioner, after the shampoo, and once you shampoo everything, I'm gonna go ahead and take this, and here's the big result of how I feel about it. So I was pushing it through my hair, and it actually felt decent. You see my face. It felt decent going through my hair. I felt like it was so much faster than what it usually is. I had so much hair left in it though. But it was so much faster than the denim brush. And then I took a second to see how it felt like against my scalp, and I liked the way it felt against my scalp with the conditioner in it. So it got my sign of approval. And then I got curious, and I was like, okay, let's rinse it out, put it back. Take the hair off me and just rinse real quick. And more hair. And I was like, okay, let's rinse it out some more because I didn't get it all. And then I was like, okay, I got it out. Grabbed the leave-in. Everything, all of these products smell so good. If you ever like had the raspberry blue Kool-Aid, that's what it smells like. It smells so good. And so here I'm doing my front section. So with this front section, I had already put the conditioner in and everything like that. And so I'm just combing it out. And I really like this brush. This brush is really nice. It's soothing to my hair. It's getting through there. It's perfectly. It works perfectly in the shower because, one, you would think the way that it's made that it would be slippery. It's not slippery at all. It's very well grippable. Than the denim brush. The denim brush is just a little bit more of a hot mess more than this brush, and I'm like very satisfied with this brush while doing my hair in the shower. I think I'm going to add it to my routine when I wash my hair. So it's something that I do like to use. So here I go back, rinsing my hair out. I really did like this product.
Okay, we're back to the this is still wet, which is no good when you're trying to blow dry your hair. So this is not all the way dry, but it's dry. I'm gonna use the Jalesha heat protectant, but it's to protect and wait, it's to protect and detangle, leave out, and Detangler. So it sounds like a comb. That's what scares me. But it goes through like a brush. Like, when it's getting the naps out, it reminds me of the sound of like what a hot comb sounds like. So, okay, so I'm going to use it on that. So, here goes my arm. The only thing that bothers me is there's hair left in here and I have to rinse it to get the rest out. But I also have product.
Okay, so we back with the voiceovers. So I went through my hair pretty good. I think it works better. I was a little skeptical at first because I was like, I didn't get nothing. But also it was my technique at first. I was like, Jalen, use your head. Get it, girl. Come on. So I finally got it down back. And when I did that motion, y'all see my face. So I was really getting into it. And I was really happy that I was getting into it. I was like, oh my gosh. Here I am blabbering on about it, saying, oh my gosh, it's so cute, oh my gosh, it didn't take that long. Literally, this did not take long. Even though this is sped up, I'm just talking about the difference between the two, because it takes literally forever for me to detangle and blow dry with the brush. And I thought maybe if I go in with the detangler brush, the denim brush, that maybe it'll get it smoother. No, this brush got it smoother than the detangler brush. And y'all will see that later on when I go to the top. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up my hair off camera real quick. And then y'all see me in a minute. And I'm just going to disappear. Okay? Okay. We're back and better. So right now we're at the front. And I'm just detangling it with the brush again. The K brush. And here we go. So maybe you couldn't see in the back, but once you get up to the front, the front of my hair is a different texture. It's like a 4B-ish, middle-ish hair in the front. I have looser curls up front. I don't know why. I guess it's due to heat damage or whatnot. But literally, do you see how smooth that hair is? Do y'all see how many passes I did? I didn't do that many passes with that. So I'm gonna go back to the top, just spraying some more of the heat protectant, just to be sure, be safe. So and also I've been natural since I was 5, and I'm 20, about to be 21. So yeah, y'all do the math. 15, almost 16 years of being natural. And so this, like, I've never did like a big chop or anything on my hair or anything like that. And literally, look how many passes I have to do to get this smooth with a blow. Like, I know I don't do like super blow dry, but literally this took no time. I feel like I'm putting less heat on my hair, and like, you see that? You see how smooth it got into every little crevice with just blow drying it with it. Because usually I miss spots and I have like thick pieces of my hair, like, that hasn't been touched and it's still wet. And I tell you, every inch of my hair was dry. There was no thick parts that didn't reach the comb. Reached every part. And this is me just talking about how straight it got with it, just that. And I was just so surprised by it. So, and I wanted to try out the denim brush on the other side of my hair and see what it was going to be like. And so that's what you're seeing right now. So right now I'm just getting my life right. I'm going to section it off. Yeah, just section it off with the comb instead of the K brush. So putting some heat protectant. I'm getting, this is usually my regular routine, so I'm getting this wide tooth comb, and then I do it with the denim brush as well. And then I get the blow dryer and I just go straight in. And I know you're supposed to start at the ends, but usually I just have better luck if I'm just you see how much pain? Okay, I usually have better luck if I just start in the middle of my head and just go. Like, literally, look at those ends compared to me doing my hair with the other brush. I was just like, what in the world? And when I got done doing this, and I was just like, my hair feels so much rougher. My scalp hurts a little bit more than it should. It got it done, but I had to put so many other passes and so much more heat on my hair, and it's so different. Like, you can still see like the little curls still at my ends, which I'm not mad at. Usually I just leave it be and everything, but look at the difference. I also hit myself in the head with the brush. But do you see the difference between the sections? How one is so thin and so smooth, and that one was literally, it was tender because it was still nappy, and I just didn't understand how, like, I got these results. So anyway, besides looking like Bozo the Clown, I'm just gonna go back in with my other brush because it was really frustrating to see that the denim brush did me like that. Like, dang, I've been really messing myself up with this denim brush. So I just went ahead and blow dry that part out, got it so much more smooth. It still didn't feel like the rest of my head though, and I was trying to understand why it wasn't. When I went back in with it, it just didn't feel right, and you can see me like talk about how it didn't feel right. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the top of my hair, and I'll be back with you.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe like I said before. Any questions, leave them down below. Follow me on Instagram at Jalesha_J, and I'll follow you back. Thanks for watching. Bye.